Today, we are just going to pretend that we don't know why Somizi was trending this week and focus on the important things. Because nonke niyatshontsa emzansi, whether it's a house robbery, government tendering, intellectual property, people's bay, host posts, social media posts, you name it, you're stealing. Niyatshontsha, you're worse than the stereotype of Nigerians selling drugs. So I'm not going to steal your time and say things that will leave you wanting to watch more of Somizi on... yeah, that show. Don't know the name. It doesn't matter. What we are not going to pretend we didn't hear is the president telling South Africans to do the Jerusalem challenge on Heritage Day. Heritage Day. The whole president. That's too much. That's pushing it. Come on, guys. Jerusalem. Heritage Day. To enjoy the rest of the episode, click link in bio or description and enjoy.